In this question, you're asked to find the value of k if k minus 3 times x minus of 4 minus k square times y plus k square minus 7k plus 6 is equal to 0. First parallel to x-axis, next parallel to y-axis, and next passing through origin. So let us solve the question one by one. So if the line is parallel to x-axis, then the line should be of the form y is equal to constant. If a line is parallel to x-axis, then the equation should be of the form y is equal to constant. That means coefficient of x has to be equal to 0. This implies k minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies k is equal to 3. So if k is equal to 3, the coefficient of x becomes 0, hence the line will be parallel to x-axis. Next, if the line is parallel to y-axis, then the equation should be of the form x is equal to k. That means coefficient of y should be equal to 0. This implies 4 minus k square is equal to 0. This implies k is equal to plus or minus 2. Next, if the line is passing through origin, then the constant term has to be equal to 0. This implies k square minus 7k plus 6 has to be equal to 0. This implies k minus 1 times k minus 6 is equal to 0. This implies k is equal to 1 or 6. This is the answer to this question. Thank you.